Hey everyone, this is section 2.1, sampling from a finite population, attempt number 2. Sorry the first one didn't work, but let's give this a go again. So let's first go through the terminology. First vocab is generalized results. It says the results from a data set that is representative of a group in a population. So what this means is that you take a few people and like to sample or look at their results, and you want to make it generalized or like representative of an entire population. So think of like the our class. Sorry about that. Like our class is only one statistic class, but there's thousands of statistic classes. So if we took data for our class, we would want it to be representative of all statistics students. That's kind of what that means. Okay. Then random sampling, a sampling that gives every population or possible sample of the desired size the same chance of being the same sample selected. So here, like, we want to be able to like select people for our tests, our studies that represent the entire population as best they can without any biases. So we want to be able to get all the a diverse group of people that represents the population rather than just a finite group of people. Okay. And then convenience sampling is the opposite. Like you just sample people because they're close or easy to get. So like us just sampling our class, that's easy. Like it's right there, right next to us. It's convenience, kind of like a convenience store where you get everything. Okay. Random sampling is probably the better of the two, but sometimes convenient sampling is easier, so it's hard to do a random sampling well. Okay, so for this assignment, I wanted you to be able to do on Friday, but you couldn't, so you'll kind of have to do this on your own. But I want you to go through the first example. There's no like problems with the first example. I just want you to kind of read or skim through this first one to kind of see what they're talking about. And then I want you to be able to go through the second example and kind of go through step by step. It's like a stepped out process for this one. We can talk about it on Monday too, but that's kind of what I'm looking for to kind of talk to you about for this thing. There is one thing about this the part that I want to, or I guess a couple things here. 10 wants you to go to random.org. It gives you a random number generator to be able to work with. Also, like, so they just want you to go there. But also, our applet has a random number generator, so you can use that to like type in the numbers from 1 to 268, and then it'll spit out 10 random numbers for you, which is super quick and easy. And then that's where you can like use those numbers to select words that's in the previous part of this this example to be able to go through 12 more rapidly, so that you don't have to do it like by hand, basically. Okay, have fun.